In today's video, I'm going to teach you is Slack AI good? Honest Review 2025. If you're new to Slack, think of it as a hub for team conversations, files, and updates organized into channels and threads. Slack AI builds on that by helping you keep up without wading through everything manually. It can quickly summarize long threads or conversations you missed, highlight key points inside busy channels, and make search smarter so you can find past messages with less guesswork. These aren't flashy features, but they meaningfully reduce scrolling and help you regain context fast. The assistant is getting more contextual too. Recent updates are turning Slack's built-in helper into a tool you can ask about what's happening in a specific thread or to pull out relevant information tied to your workspace discussions. Adoption is growing across workplaces, and many daily users report gains in productivity, focus, and satisfaction for tasks like summaries, insights, and quick answers. That said, there are clear trade-offs. Accuracy can wobble with complex or nuanced questions. Some responses feel like keyword matching rather than deep understanding, so you'll want to sanity check anything critical. Slack AI also leans heavily on your internal Slack history. Unless you're on higher tier plans with integrations, it won't reliably pull from external sources like your documentation or support tools, which limits true knowledge synthesis. Another gap is turning information into action. It's solid at compressing conversations, but less reliable at flagging what needs to be done, which means you'll still piece together to-dos or track them elsewhere. User sentiment is mixed in community discussions. Some teams find it helpful for quick catch-ups, while others consider it distracting or unnecessary and disable it. Cost matters too. While summaries are showing up in paid plans, the most advanced features often live behind pricier tiers. So who is it good for? Fast-paced teams that need rapid catch-ups will see immediate value. Workspaces with lots of channels, files, and ongoing knowledge sharing benefit from the added context in prompts and searches. Technical teams can also gain speed with emerging integrations, such as code analysis directly in Slack, if those tools are part of your workflow. Results improve when your channels are well organized and threads are used consistently. Who might not benefit? Smaller teams with simple communication patterns, teams that need precise task extraction, and anyone who dislikes extra prompts or visual clutter. Bottom line for 2025, Slack AI is good for quick recaps, better search, contextual nudges inside conversations, and cutting down on manual scrolling. It's not great at deeply understanding complex queries, generating dependable action items, integrating seamlessly with external knowledge bases without higher tier plans, or replacing dedicated AI tools. If those good at areas match your needs, it's worth a try. Otherwise, keep expectations modest and revisit as the product matures.